All right, we're in the kitchen now. And we've got all this stuff laid out. And it looks like you brought out your whole kitchen, everything in the refrigerator.
It's the full table.
I'm overwhelmed, I can't think.
Well, let me take you through it. We have a veal shanks. So you got your whole tomatoes that you're gonna crush.
Out of the can.
The garlic we're gonna use when we cook the osso bucco. Now the beer, this is a black stout. I like to drink it, but I'm gonna save it and I'm gonna cook the veal in that. You got the spinach, big bowl, small roll, just wilt that. So I'm gonna salt one side, then pepper, flip it over, do the same in the other deal. I'm a hands guy.
Yeah, just use your fingers.
This is a
that little spoon isn't gonna do it.
You wanna sprinkle like it's Christmas time, and then I like a little fine grind.
I like that little grind you got there.
Isn't it nice? And then we're gonna flip these Johnsons over. We got 8 of these.
Got 8 little.
Because 8 is enough.
Kind of like watching the Brady Bunch. I always wish I was part of that crew too.
No.
But that was like your family, wasn't it?
It was.
Did you have Alice though? No, you didn't have Alice.
No, that was just
I
mine.
didn't have Alice.
Okay, let's get this over here.
All right, let's
heat
do
it
it.
up.
Let's do it.
So let's put these down here.
Okay.
Take this. You want that?
Sure.
Okay.
Hold it.
Let's throw a little butter in there. Ooh, that's a little hot. Ooh, see?
Hot.
Hot. That's hot. Ah, that's not hot. Come on.
Ah, that's not too bad.
Well, a little warm right there. And then we're just gonna brown these.
Brown them up.
I like to give them a little room. No crowding. Look at that. It's almost happy
that's
already.
looking good already. Yeah.
Pretty happy. Just want to get a little brownness to it.
That smells good. You need to get that garlic out.
Yeah.
Are you gonna chop it
I'm
up?
gonna grab a knife.
I'm into that as well.
I'm gonna turn on the oven.
Oh, okay. Do you know how?
I talk dirty to it? I don't know.
Yeah. You're gonna put the. Woo! Magic!
Yeah. And that's gonna be around 5 minutes that we're gonna let that reduce a little bit.
I like it.
Let's crush some tomatoes.
All right, let's do it. I'm still holding the symbol. See?
You just want to
Get in
squeeze a
there
little
and
bit
squeeze
right
it.
down, huh?
Oh boy, it gets squirty, doesn't it? I bet if you didn't have a jacket.
Exhibit A, right? The
See
reason
what
to
I'm
have this
saying?
jacket. Okay, so we got more to do.
All right, what do you got?
These guys are going back
You
in.
gonna put the buccos?
Yeah, everybody goes in.
Ooh, it's gonna be a party. Look at that hot tub.
Everybody gets a tomato. And then we're gonna give a little bit of the juice.
A little bit of the juice.
Juice.
Yeah, I gotta get a little bit of that juice in there.
Just a little
Make it happy.
A little bit right there.
Get thyme, get rosemary. Just gonna throw the whole sprig in there.
The whole sprig stays
You're
right
not messing
there.
around. You ready?
Yeah,
You can handle it?
I hope so.
And look at this small little oven you got too, man. It's like easy bake oven.
That's right. That's right. Open the door, the light goes on.
I want to try this food. Whatever you say. Ooh.
Wow.
Okay, there it is.
Gosh.
Here, I'll
slide it
lift
over.
it up. There you go.
Right there, and the juice
And
along with it.
and a little happy. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. That's so good. Hey, thanks for watching. You like our videos? Well, then do me a favor and subscribe, because then we can update you on what's going on. You'll also know when we're giving away really cool stuff, which happens all the time. So make sure you subscribe and we'll be in touch.